We just arrived at the job site. First off, talk to the customer, make sure they approve the plans, they get to see what we're gonna install for the day, and then set up all our safety equipment. If you can see, we have the caution tape, put safety cones on the front and back end of your truck and trailer. When setting up the safety equipment, you always wanna put a perimeter around the ladder, especially if it's on the same side that you're putting your panels on. You do the caution tape just so that the homeowner is aware that that zone is blocked off. We got the ladder strap. My guys get up on the roof, set up all the anchors that they need for their harnesses. Make sure you have enough rope to get on either side of the roof or either sides or wherever the arrays are at. You want to have enough movement where you can jump from different anchor to get where you need to go as safely as possible. For the anchor points, you always want to put them at least one in each location of where an array is going to go. Unless you only have one array, then you would have to put one on each end. You want to be able to be moving through the roof and anchoring off without having to relocate the anchor itself. As soon as you get the anchors located and situated, they throw their harnesses on, they adjust them, make sure they're nice and tight to the fit. You know, you don't want them too tight either because you want flexibility. And after that, everybody starts prepping for the job. Ideally, the roof lead is the one that's gonna stay on the roof after he gets his anchor points down. And then he's gonna start mapping out your panels, your layouts. And then the installer 1 and 2 are gonna stay downstairs, and they're the ones that are gonna prep everything. They're gonna start getting the rail that you need, the mids, the ends, the attachments that you need for the roof, splices, all the material that you're gonna need to get the job done. They're gonna be putting it together, and they have bags, they have buckets, whatever they need to put everything in one place, and then load it up onto the roof while the roof lead gets everything ready.